Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. So today I woke up around 9 a.m. I quickly freshened up and cleaned my study desk. After that I sat down to study. I was watching Samapti ma'am's lecture because today I was studying biotechnology. After finishing the lecture, I set a 30-minute timer and started doing some self-studies. Then I had my lunch and honestly I felt really sleepy, so I took a nap. I woke up around 6 to 6:30 p.m. and went to the terrace for a while. The sunset view looked so beautiful and it really refreshed my mind. And look what I saw, a pineapple. My parents actually love doing gardening. After that, I came back to my room and sat down to study again. I completed biotechnology and these are my notes I made while watching Samapti ma'am's lecture. Then I started making a to-do list for tomorrow. After that, I brushed my teeth and went to sleep. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe my channel.